Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and place both hands gently over your heart. How long have you been away? Away from yourself, caught up in the demands of the day, the needs of others, the relentless forward motion of a life that rarely stops long enough for you to check in with the most important person in it, you. As you inhale, feel the warmth of your own hands over your heart. Feel it beating beneath your palms, faithful, steady, tireless. This heart has been here through everything, waiting for you to come back to it. As you exhale, arrive fully, completely, like coming through the door of a home you have missed without realizing how much. You are here. You are home. You are whole. Everything you've been searching for outside of yourself has always been available right here, in this heart, in this breath, in this moment. Welcome home. I'm sending you so much love.